Okay, hi, Kirsty James. I run Colony Networking and we are in Lim. We've just finished an event which has involved both networking and a speaker who has talked about the future of social media. Our speaker, Amanda Daniels from Cougar, has been giving us lots of tips and thoughts for the future of what social media holds for businesses. Never ever in my life done Facebook Live, but it came up in conversation, and the value of video marketing and authentic content. And so I'm climbing out of my comfort zone to record this, and hopefully it's streaming somewhere. I'm hopeful it's landing on the website, on the Facebook page. So I'm just going to throw over to the people here, ask them what they've got from today and if they've enjoyed the session. So we'll go to Amanda first, who's been our speaker, and say, have you enjoyed? Let's do the flip round and go to Amanda.
Hello.
Amanda. There we go.
My name's Amanda from Cougar. I have enjoyed being part of Colony. Today is my first time at Colony, and Kirsty invited me to come and do a talk on the future of social media. So today I've talked about chatbots, I've talked about Facebook Live, I've talked about authentic content, virtual reality, augmented reality, video, and emotional content as well. So we've talked about customer journey, we've talked about buying process, we've talked about quite a lot actually today. Fitted quite a lot into 30-40 minutes. But I have enjoyed it. It's a great little networking event, and if you haven't been before, you should come along.
Thank you very much, and we've learnt lots from you today, Amanda. Let's go round and ask a few people what they've learnt.
Hi, Paul at PS Accountants. Again, first time at Colony. I've really enjoyed it. It's a good, there's a structure to it, but nice informal group. I'm friends with the crowd, which is always good. Presentation was really, really good also. Some really good tips on the key things you should be doing on social media, which for a numbers guy is really value added, and what you should definitely be doing in 2018, which I really enjoyed as well. Very insightful.
Great, thank you. And Andrew.
Hello world, I'm Andrew Collins, portrait photographer in Lim. I come to Colony every month, and every month Kirsty's cooked up a little gem and some nuggets for us to learn, which are always really, really useful things to take away. Today's presentation from Amanda was fantastic. I was a bit scared about Facebook Live, and frankly I'm terrified about the bot thing, but I'll learn about that and find out how that applies to being a stills photographer. My world isn't video.
There's a little thumbs up sign whizzing across the screen. Does that mean somebody's watching it?
Yes, absolutely.
We like that.
Already.
I'm not sure who you are. I'm sure I could find that out later. I don't know quite how that works, but we've got a couple of people live watching us. We like that, don't we? This is great. So, we've got Catherine Sandland saying, hello, Andrew. Catherine is a fantastic speaker and runs a speaking club, and she's speaking at our ladies' event in October. Oh, we're going to get feedback now. It's one of our... Brilliant. Right, Kirsty, let's hear from you.
Hi, I'm Kirsty from Ummy Bunny Books, selling Usborne children's books. I'm local to here and come along to quite a lot of the Colony events. This has been a great session, really nice group of people, and I've learnt so much. I feel like I'm only scratching the surface of social media, so what I've taken away from today is I need to make my content more authentic to me and get across my character, and a bit more emotional content in my blogs and posts that I'm putting out, so hopefully it'll be good to do something a bit different.
Look forward to seeing it. Nat.
Hi, so I'm Nat from Three Little Birds PR, and I'm also a travel blogger for Nat Packer on the side as well. Today's been really good, really informative. The main thing I picked up from today is on social media to think about the psychology of the people that are basically watching you rather than the technology itself.
Wonderful tip, thank you.
Hello, I'm Neil. I'm Neil Monks from Genistar. We help families with their finances. Today has just been fantastic. It's been a fantastic session, and I learned lots that I'm going to have to sort of go back into. Lots of things to sort of think about. Main thing for me, making things emotional, making that emotional contact with the potential clients and customers. Yeah, just fantastic. People here have been great. I've not been to Colony for quite a while, but come back and it's better than what it was.
Great, we're heading in the right direction. I like that. Thank you for that feedback. And Jay.
Good morning all. I'm Jay Allen. I'm the founder of My True North, the UK's leading ethical coaching company, and we launched the Add a Zero Business Challenge earlier this month. I've come along to Colony for the first time. I've met Kirsty at a couple of events outside of this and was invited to be able to come along today for the first time, specifically to be able to come and listen to the future of social media. I spend a lot of time in networking, I spend a lot of time at conferences, and I must say that having come here today, the calibre of both the networking, the people in the room, and of the presentation is something I've not seen before. It's really, really worthwhile time being here, and I can't recommend it highly enough.
We like feedback like that. Thank you so much, Jay.
Hi everyone, I'm Lucy Jackman from Common Sense. As a copywriter, I found Amanda's presentation terrific. I thought the content on authentic content and emotional experiences really resonated with me, and I'm going to take that away and apply it to my own business and also to my clients' businesses.
Brilliant. Thank you, Lucy.
Hello everyone, I'm Rachel Spencer. I'm a freelance journalist and I also have a pet blog at thepoorpost.co.uk. It was really interesting to learn about the emotional resonance that we have to have with our social media, particularly for my blogging, which is a new thing for me. And the main takeaway for me was that I need to get over my fear of Facebook Live, so this is my first time, and thank you Kirsty for making me do it, and I'm going to go away and do it for my own business as well now.
Great. You're very welcome. And yes, first time for me too. This is all brand new experience for a lot of us, this Facebook Live thing. I've done video before, but it's always very much, let's flip that back round as well. You can see I'm learning on the job here, but yeah, in terms of video versus going live, it's scary. I thought doing video was scary actually, but at least you prepared some content. When you go live, you're just talking randomly as I am now. So it's been a great session today. There's been loads of tips, advice, content. We will be sharing some of that out as well. I'm just going to flip the screen back just to show a tiny bit of what Amanda will be offering in the future, because we'll put that onto the Colony website. Colony Networking's here in Lim every month. It's mixed networking, but always with some content and structured content or a speaker or some kind of workshop activity. We also have other events that run as well. Let me flick that back as well. And Amanda will be sharing some of her content, and we'll put that onto the website. So after every event, you can go back onto the Colony website and find resources from previous speakers, and then also follow-up events, which I know you have many coming up, Amanda, which will be really handy. Today's content's been brilliant. We've really, really learned a lot. I've got a list of millions of things now to look into, and there I was thinking I was doing a reasonable job of staying present on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter, but it's so much more. It is about the journey, the buying process, and in that it's all about the psychology. You know, where are the people you're trying to reach? What are they doing? What are they behaving like? And why are they interacting with you over somebody else? And being more live, having the authentic content is obviously important. A final shout out to a couple of, well, there's a few people disappeared, but to NatWest, who sponsor Colony. Kim has shot off now. Hopefully she'll see this later. Let's just flick around there, and then you can see a little bit. So there's NatWest banner there. That's a call out for them, and also to Brainwave, who have had to go as well. Joanne Freeman is the local person there, and Brainwave are the charity that Colony support this year. So a huge big thank you to some of our remaining attendees in the room, and to those that interact with Colony generally. Keep a lookout for what's coming, because there's plenty of events, mixed, women's, workshops, and more to come. So a big thank you from me for watching, and bye.